Hello viewers and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We continue to take a look on what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. Nyaya inosuwisa ya Chief Makumbe vashaya mutsaona kumarondera mazuva maviri apfuura. Let us take a look onto this very sad story as reported right here by Crime Watch. So this is the acting chief, Chief Makumbe. He was still acting. He was 30 years old. The report says acting traditional chief Makumbe of Buyera, born Paul Chengeta, is passed away at the age of 30. Chengeta died yesterday after his Toyota Revo collided with a Gold Class Express bus in Marondera. Buyera District Development Coordinator, DDC, Freeman Maviza, confirmed his death to the Mirror. This is what happened, and this is the news right there. So let us take a look onto this and see what really happened right there. If you look at the vehicles, this is the vehicle in which he was probably driving. It's not in good shape. And this is the picture of the bus, which is coming right next. It seems as if the bus sustained quite minor damage, but the car itself, it had very, very, very huge damage. So we are trying to understand what really happened right here. We do not have much information about who was right, who was wrong, but we are trying to recreate what really happened, what really transpired. It was a head-on as a result of somebody trying to overtake. Was it the bus which was trying to overtake, or was it the Toyota Revo which was trying to overtake? That is a very important question which we need to ask at this point in time. I always say Zimbabwean drivers do not know how to drive very, very well, but sometimes people are clouded by other circumstances. You know that nyaya yeushe unofanira kunge wakatosimba pakunamata kana kuti pambashto. So it happened on 12 March 2025. That is when it happened. Kuita zvembashto, otherwise unofa usina kana kumborwara. Okay, zvikanzi atungwa nenyanga uyo anga aita mupwere pachigaro chaanga akagara. It's a very sad situation, guys. So we are looking at this bus. It was damaged on the driver's seat right there. And then we are looking at this car also damaged by driver's seat, which means there was one vehicle which was trying to overtake Pama vehicles R2. This is how I see it. Kuti payakada ungono overtake chet vero an impact. So looking at the impact right there, pirates oti pane motikari pakati pebhazi nemotikari pane chaimhanya kupfuura chimwe, and probably the car was speeding. Looking at the damage itself, it's too much, which signifies kuti probably the car was flying, because motikari kana ichimhanya, if you look at the damage itself, it can tell you kuti zvinhu zvacho zvakafamba sei. But we do not know what really happened, what really transpired. He was so young, 30 years old. He was acting chief for acting chief Makumbe. But we continue to put the family in our prayers. May he so rest in peace. This is what we have for you, Team Zimbabwe, at this point in time. And Zimbabwe is becoming a very, very sad place to be. But Road Marondera, if you drive well, irinani, aina zvayo kunyanya makomba, which means the biggest problem which we have is failure to observe the rules and the regulations of the road by motorists. So we continue to urge our motorists to be safe, to drive cautiously, and to exercise defensive driving rules and regulations. This is it. I love you all, and thank you very much for coming.